Fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a spa day at home, bootleg Get Ready with me. But I thought it'd be fun to unwind and show you the products that I use and, you know, just chit chat with you as I do this at home spa day. So if you are new, consider subscribing and hitting the bell next to it. Make a ding so you won't miss a thing. All right, let's get started. My first step, we're gonna be wiping off some lipstick. Yes. Yeah, put that up. Fold that up. Neat, right there. Okay, next we'll be putting up lashes, honey. Yank them off. Woo! Almost yanked my eyeball off, child. Woo! Yeah, they want there good. Woo! What a relief it is. And just put that inside of there like that. All right. Woo! Now, I am going to wipe my glory off for the Lord, and we'll get to chit-chatting after that. So a key plug is to do your skincare with black towels. That way the dirt don't show up as much. But yes, that would be so helpful. Just a little pointer. So I love the Clinique products. This is the liquid facial soap mild, and this is the number 2 variation. I have dry combination skin, so I try to keep things as simplistic as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I bought this facial cleanser from TJ Maxx. Let me see if I can see the brand. It's called Spa Sonic Pro, and it was like $15. So it do the same thing as popular facial cleansers. Got a beautiful big old brush, and I'm gonna apply my liquid Clinique soap and get the getting. Next, I'm gonna apply my tried and true Clean and Clear, and they have a deep action exfoliating scrub. It's oil free, so I like to apply this with a brush. So yes, and you just kind of paint it on and let it sit for a few minutes. So I'm kind of like doing, I'm kind of making this a mask, but because I have to film and stuff, I try to do this a little more often, because one, I just want to take care of my skin, but two, just show it some love. And I have this bump and I'm so mad about it, but that's life. Don't get upset. Just try to do your best, you know, until you can, you know, figure out what to do about acne, bumps. It's just part of life. My friend Jasmine Roscoe, she has created this manifestation book. It's by Habits of a Goddess. Follow that page on Instagram. Also follow my girl Jasmine Roscoe. She's a lifestyle YouTuber, and she is just so wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful feng shui over there, so everything luxurious. My daily gratitude journal. Start each day with gratitude, which is what you saw me do, and I filled this out. Hello, beautiful. I'm gonna be using this mask that I like to get from Target. And it is a tea tree and witch hazel mud mask. Those are things that I really like to, you know, bathe my face in. Cause I mean, yeah, you can use, excuse me, regular soaps and stuff like that, but honey, give me the ingredients I need to be successful. So yes, my skin is nice and cool. I feel it working, but just to intensify that, I'm gonna use this mask. And you get a lot of bang. This is just $2 at Target. And they have the best face mask. Look at all that product that's gonna come out. I'm not gonna even need all that. But at the spa, this is when they will put the ooze over your face. So I'm just gonna paint this on. Oh, Woo, yes. Hallelujah. If you got a man, this is enough for you and him. So, honey, lather you and him up. Make it a date night. Do facials at home. But it also can be really romantic, and men need love too. Don't have your man walking around with acne. Send him to the dermatologist. If not, girl, do him a facial. Do him a facial. You do his skincare, girl. Introduce him to the good life, okay? Ooh, that's really close to the eye, but we're gonna make it, we're gonna rock it out. Just tone my face now. Don't rub it in. I like to pat it on, because whatever foolery is going on with this bump, I'm gonna try to go around it because it's open and exposed. So I don't want to disturb her. Ooh, this feels so good. We're almost done, ladies and gentlemen, but I just like to pat that on. Making sure that everything is Gucci with the skin. Try to go around her. Yes, so that's the toner by Clinique. Yes, this is the moisturizing gel. So I just like to put a few pumps on my hand and then dot it, then rub it in. Get the nose. I'm gonna have to put a few more pumps on because of the neck and around the chin. So I'm probably gonna need one more pump to get all of the neck, because you want to make sure it's moisturized all the way around, not just the front, but in the back. And make sure you're always rubbing in an upward motion to pull it in, youth up your skin. You don't want to drag it down. Always rub upward. That's a tip for my mature audience to preserve the elasticity of your skin. Rub upward. Pull in your skin, please. Thank you. And finally the forehead. Oh, glory. And I like to put it under the eye. And I'm going to tell you why. My hands are clean, so just want to put that out there. Now this is by, what is this called? Real Techniques. And this is an eye roller. I put this in the refrigerator, so it is nice and cold to lift and put your eyes where they belong, but it helps prevent, you know, bagging eyes and all that. So you just want to keep rubbing in upward motions like this. Good. Get in there, honey. See that? I like to do it with my eyebrows too. Okay, CC fam, so this is like a spa at home, get unready with me video. I hope the products and techniques that I use helped you all. I'll have everything linked in the description box. But yes, always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time.